Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Mother's Day! Seriously, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I went back and forth on whether I wanted to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and shop Walgreens and post a video. But ultimately, I decided that my gift to you guys, my gift to the moms, is this Walgreens haul. But as you can see, it's a take your son to work day. So it's Mother's Day, and I wanted to spend some time with him and not just working all day long. So he's joining me in this video and will be helping me explain the best deals over at Walgreens for the week. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, and if you're not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button as a gift to her for Mother's Day.
Ooh, I like that. Speaking of, why don't you tell them some of my favorite things to do on Mother's Day?
Well, she loves coffee, wait. First she has to sleep in. Then she gets coffee. And after that, we'll usually go on a hike as a family.
Oh, yes. I love being outdoors. My hope is as soon as I get this filmed, edited, uploaded, that we are going to sneak over to the lake today, I hope. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so in the video, we are gonna tell you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I will show you how I chose to use my Spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, as well as include tons of pictures of clearance at the end of the video. Now, a couple of quick heads up. This morning at CVS, there was stuff 90% off. What? So, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and throw those pictures at the end of this video too. You guys will know the difference in the tags between Walgreens and CVS, right? The CVS tags, actually, I took pictures of it on the screen. So I'll show you the Walgreens clearance pictures first at the end, and then I'll flip to the CVS. That way you know what to look for if you shop both stores, because I will not be shopping CVS today. Likely I'll be shopping tomorrow for CVS. Second quick update. I'm currently doing a giveaway. Do you know how much money I'm giving away?
No.
2 $100 gift cards. So 2 people will get a $100 gift card, and you have to get entered in that giveaway in my Brand Club Frequently Asked Questions video, which I'll link down in the video description box for you. Okay, I think that was it on the updates. So the first deal is coming at ya from my little guy, and he's going to tell you how you can score completely free toothpaste this week. So tell them how they can score some free toothpaste.
So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find these 2 Colgates at $3.99 each, and then you're going to make sure you clip the $4 off 2 digital coupon, and if you're shopping online, use the code FAST10 to get 40 cents off, leaving you with a total of $3.58. And then you're going to get $4 back in Walgreens cash, which makes your total free, plus a 42-cent moneymaker.
Yes, he got it right. So if you do the deal in store, you can get it completely free. If you want to do the deal as a curbside deal, you absolutely can. You will still get the Walgreens cash. I did it this morning. You can use the code FAST10 to take an additional 10% off. So try that code if you're shopping online. Also, another code is out there, MOM20, but that's for orders of $40 or more. But if you're placing an order like that, you might want to check out that code MOM20. I just did the FAST10 code this morning. Okay, let me tell you about, do you want to do another one?
Sure.
All right, he'll do another one. All right, why don't you tell them how they can score some cheap Epsom salts?
Well, you're going to find these Epsom salts at $1.99 and clip the $1.50 digital, which leaves you paying 49 cents.
Yes, so I had actually done this deal last week or 2 weeks ago, but if you haven't done it yet, $1.99, there's a $1.50 coupon. If you use the code FAST10 for a curbside order, it'll take another 5 cents off, so that would be 44 cents. If you do it without that code, it would be 49 cents. So let me tell you a super simple deal that anyone can do. It's on these Tide products. You can also get Downy or you can get Bounce. They are 4 for $9, which is already a great price, especially if you are a Tide person, which my mom is a Tide person. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Got you some Tide. Okay. 4 for $9. I logged into my PG Good Everyday account where I printed a 50-cent coupon. I only printed one of them. Sometimes you can click the back button and you're able to print 2, but I did this deal in store because they are 4 for $9. I used that printed coupon of 50 cents. So I paid $8.50 for all 4 of them, or just $2.12 each. Now, let's talk about this one. Okay, so if you need this product, the Preparation H Soothing Cooling Spray, it's $6.99, but we have a store digital and a manufacturer digital. So the 2 coupons are for $3 off and $2.50 off. Now again, if you place it for curbside, you can use the code FAST10, which will take another 15 cents off, leaving you to pay just $1.34 for this product. So if you don't need it, it's not worth the money. But if it's a product that you use, $1.34 on a $6.99 product, great deal. Let's talk about the Got to Be. So these are $4.19. There's a $2 digital, leaving you to pay $2.19, unless you do it as curbside, where you can use the code FAST10. It'll take 21 cents off, leaving you to pay $1.98. But you know what there is?
No.
An Ibotta offer. You'll get $1.50 back on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be just 48 cents. Glued. Do you want me to blast freeze spray your hair?
I'm good.
All right. So let's talk about the Olay deal. Okay.
Olay.
So Olay. Oh my gosh. Please don't stop watching. The Olay toner. These are $5.29 each. You could also grab, there were some Olay wipes that were 2 for $10. My store was completely out of those. So I grabbed 2 of the toners at $5.29 each. I had an $8 digital coupon. I also used the code FAST10, which took off 26 cents, leaving me to pay $2.32 for both of them, or just $1.16 each. And I use toner every day, so I'm excited to try this one. I haven't tried this one yet. Why don't you tell them about the mac and cheese?
You're going to want to grab one of these Kraft mac and cheese at 99 cents. And if you're placing this as a curbside order, use the code FAST10 to get another 10 cents off, which leaves you at 89 cents. But Ibotta will give you 10 cents back, which leaves you with a total of 79 cents.
Perfect. Okay, so if you're working on one of those like weekend warrior bonuses with Ibotta, there's some great deals. That Kraft mac and cheese, and then this Bumblebee tuna is another one. They are on sale this week for 99 cents. Again, you can use that code FAST10 to take 10 cents off. Submit your receipt to Ibotta, get 10 cents back, making your final cost for this can of tuna just 79 cents. Now, I was going to tell you about a deal on some shakes that I actually buy for him.
Well, so next we're going to grab the Splenda, which are on sale for $7.99, and you'll get $4 off using the coupon my mom has linked below, which leaves you paying $3.99, but then Ibotta gives you $2 back, making your total $1.99, and with a splendid deal.
Splendid deal. Let me tell you a deal on hot dogs. If you are a hot dog fan, we actually already had these. I did not buy them this morning, but here's the deal. They're 2 for $8, but they're also buy one, get one free. So your final cost will be 2 for $4 or just $2 per pack, which is a great price. I think I don't really buy hot dogs all that much, but I'm assuming $2 is a good price. Okay, now a fantastic deal that I want to tell you about. It has not processed yet, but I did this deal over at Whole Foods and it worked beautifully. Now I'm trying it out at Walgreens. You want to get one of these Vital Protein Collagen Peptides. Okay, they're $1.89 and it's with all the like muscle powders and mixes and that kind of thing. I placed mine as a curbside order, so instead of paying $1.89, I used that code FAST10 and I got an additional 19 cents off, so I paid $1.70. Then I submitted my receipt to the ShopKick app where I got back $5.40, leaving my final cost to be completely free and a $3.70 moneymaker. Now, Like I said, it has not processed yet, but I've done this deal at Whole Foods this week and it worked beautifully. As soon as it processes, I'll let you know down in the comment section below. If you are brand new to Shopkick, use my referral code SWC5 and you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Also, if you're not using Ibotta yet, of course, both of these apps are completely free. Use my referral code for Ibotta and you'll get an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. The last thing that I want to mention, if you do curbside deals, make sure you're going through Rakuten first, because with Rakuten, you'll get an additional percentage back when you do your shopping. So don't leave money on the table. Get that extra percentage. I think this morning it was 2% cash back. If you're not using Rakuten yet, the deal is fantastic for new users. If you use my link below and you spend $30 out of pocket, you will get $30 back in your Rakuten account. So amazing deal for new users. Last couple of deals that I want to tell you about. Let's see, what else do I have? Just these? Yeah. Okay, so these are using the Swag Bucks app. There is an amazing $12 offer on these Nair sensitive. So grab two of them. They're buy one, get one half off. One will ring $8.49, the other will ring $4.24. I used the code FAST10 and got $1.27 off. I paid $11.46, got back $12 on Swagbucks, leaving my final cost completely free and a 54-cent moneymaker. Now, let me tell you how I used my Spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. I bought the Nair strips, I bought the Kraft, I bought the Colgate, I bought the Vital Proteins, and I bought the Bumblebee tuna. Now, all of that added together was $22.53. Okay, those prices that you see that I'm popping up on the screen, that was after the FAST10 code. So in order to get my spend booster, I have to be at $22 after that FAST10 code comes off, which I was. I was at $22.53. I got back $5 for spending $22. I got back 10 cents on Ibotta for the Kraft. I got back $12 on Swagbucks for the Nair. I got back 10 cents on Ibotta for the Bumblebee. I'm going to get $5.40 back for the Vital Proteins on Shopkick, leaving my final cost to be completely free for all of those items and a 7-cent moneymaker. So that's how we do it,
That's
right?
a good haul.
We're good. His mom is good. Your mom is good.
Yes.
Okay. I think he said the best, right? I think that's what I heard. All right, so great deals. I want to say there were a few great grocery deals. There were Pringles that were 3 for $4. There were some apple juices that were 2 for $6. He's reminding me that I forgot to talk about this toilet paper, so let's go ahead and talk about that. I grabbed it last week, but if you have not grabbed it, the toilet paper and the paper towels, they're $5 regular price. There's a $1 manufacturer coupon, which I used last week. There's also a $1.25 store coupon that you can use the whole month. So if you still have both of those coupons, your final cost would be just $2.75 for that pack of toilet paper, which is a great price. I think that's it. Anything else you want to add?
Best mom ever.
Aw, happy Mother's Day to me. I love you. Hope y'all have a fantastic day and a great start to the week. Don't forget to get yourself entered into that giveaway that I'm currently doing before Wednesday. Thanks.